XB Marketing here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy that you can use to start making money online with CPA content locking. And for those who don't know what content locking is, basically you can think of content locking as a way of making money by giving people what they want. Alright, so instead of them having to make a purchase, all they just need to do is sign up for an offer or install an app, and they get whatever content you promise them and you make money in return. It's that simple. As you can see right on this Cpabuild account right here, over $70 has been made on this account today so far. And also you can see I have received over $200 payment on this account, as you can see the proof right here in my Payoneer account. So basically you can make money with CPA marketing. It doesn't matter whatever CPA network you're using, be it CPA Grip, OG Ads, Cpabuild. It doesn't matter. It's your approach. What matters is your approach to how to make money with this platform. So I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy that you can use. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you have been earning before. You can incorporate this into your strategy and make even more money. All right. So now what you want to do from here. So now for those who might be doubting, I'm just going to refresh this page here right quick. Okay. So it's loading up. As you can see, everything remains the same. All right, so now what you want to do from here, you want to go over to cpabuild.com and you want to click on this button right here and you want to click on register. All right, so basically what you just need to do is fill out your name. All right, as you can see right here, these are just basic details and that is all you need to submit right here in order to have your account created. And once you do that, all you just need to do is click on I'm not a robot and check these boxes right here and click on register. Basically, Cpabuild is very easy to get approved. So that is how you create an account with Cpabuild to a website called twitch.tv. All right, so here I'm going to show you how to make money with these games right here. So if you come over to twitch.tv, you want to make sure you click on this browse section right here. And as you can see right here, these are a lot of games right here. I can keep scrolling down and scrolling down and scrolling down. It's an endless list of games. All right. So now there are a lot of people who are interested in these games right here. And don't worry, I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money promoting these games. All right. So if we take Fortnite here as an example, by clicking on the game, you can see right here, this game has over 80 million followers. You can imagine how many people all over the world are interested in this game. And now what you want to do from here, you want to come over to googletrends.com. As you can see right here, if you type in Fortnite game right here, and if you search for that, and if you scroll down, you can see the countries that are searching for this keyword the most. You can see these are tier 1 countries right here, which literally means you are going to be getting a higher payout whenever people from these countries complete your CPA offers. All right, you want to also filter to YouTube right here. If you click on this search property and you filter to YouTube search, all right, you can see right here the countries are still the same: New Zealand, Australia, Norway, Ireland, and United States. All right, these are the countries that are searching for this keyword the most. So what you want to do from here is very, very simple. I'm going to show you how to promote this game on YouTube and make a lot of money doing so. Your Cpabuild account, and you want to click on this button right here and you want to go over to the deploy section and you want to click on deploy content locker. You want to click on this begin typing to search. So once you click on that, you want to type in Fortnite. You want to click on this VBox Fortnite right here. As you can see, there are a lot of Fortnite specific content locker right here. So if I click on this one as an example, you want to click on generate code and you want to come to the URL section right here and you want to copy the link to this content locker. And then you want to go over to a new tab and paste in the link to that content locker. As you can see right here, this is a custom content locker made specifically for the game Fortnite, as you can see right here. So basically, this is how you make content locker on Cpabuild in literally seconds. So once you create your content locker, you can start promoting this link and start making money right away. All right, so basically that is all you need to do to create your content locker on Cpabuild. Although there are ways to create a custom content locker on Cpabuild, you can come over right here and you can click on this content locker to create a custom content locker, but that is going to be on a separate video. Okay, so the next thing you want to do now is very simple. So I've already made a script available to you. So you can see right here, finally found how to get Fortnite V-Bucks. After searching for 3 weeks, I got it free here. So now this is where you are going to paste in the link to that content locker, as you can see right here. So now this script is all you are going to be using to promote your content locker link. And feel free to get creative if you want to use a different script, but this has worked perfectly fine for me. So all you just need to do is click on copy right here, and then you want to head over to YouTube and you want to type in keywords like this. You can see there are a lot of suggestions to what people are searching for on Fortnite on YouTube. So literally whoever is watching this game funny moment or these Fortnite videos, they are definitely interested in Fortnite. So if I click on this first search right here, as you can see, these are a lot of videos that are dedicated to Fortnite funny moments. So basically you can see right here, this video are getting thousands and millions of views, as you can see right here. Okay, this one was just posted 11 hours ago. As you can see, this video has gotten over 8,000 views just in 11 hours. You can see this one right here, just 2 days ago, it has gotten over 100,000 views already. So basically these people are interested in these videos. Whoever is searching for these keywords right here is interested in this video. So what you want to do now, you want to click on these videos right here. As you can see right here, there are not so many comments on this video already. As you can see, just a little bit over 50 comments on this video. And you can imagine this video has gotten over 100,000 views already. All you just need to do is come over to the comment section and you want to paste in this comment right here. But before you paste in this comment, you want to make sure you watch a part of the video. As you can see now, the video is playing, so you want to make sure you watch a few seconds of the video before you drop that comment. All right, so I'm going to paste the comment again. All I need to do is just click on send. All right, so you can see right here, this is our comment right here. So basically, once people come over to the description of this video, and if they click on this link right here, as you can see, we already know they are interested in this game. And now this comment says, finally found how to get Fortnite V-Bucks after searching for 3 weeks. I got it free here. If I click on the link, as you can see, it's going to bring me to this page right here. Literally all they need to do is complete this offer right here. So basically that is how easy you can start making money with content locking. You can repeat this for as many games, repeat this method for as many games as you can find on this website right here. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. If you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.